Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, kind of. Actually, I'm not sure this has anything to do with hot flashes and wrinkles because we are testing out. This is, I think it's new. I don't know for sure because, well, let me tell you the story. This is the brow pomade from Benefit, and I always bought Cabrow, and I decided I wanted to try a lighter color. So I went in to get some Cabrow, because this is number 2, and I went in, I was going to get the lighter shade, and they don't have it anymore. They don't even sell Cabrow anymore. So this is their new thing, and I have used it a couple times, so I'm going to share it with you guys now. Although I thought I got the lightest shade because it's the number 2 also, so it's basically the same color, but it is a different formula. This one's almost like a cream to powder. This one doesn't stay nearly as stiff as this does, but I didn't really need another number 2 because I'm not really close to even being out because you don't use that much. But anyways, I'm gonna show you this one anyways. And there is another lighter shade, and it's 2.5. I don't understand that. You'd think that it would be a 1 or a 1.5 if it's lighter than the 2. But it's 2.5 because I looked it up online, so I'll probably be getting that one. But for now, we're just going to test this one out. So that's what we're testing today. This, what I believe is new. I don't know how new though because I haven't been in there looking at their stuff for a while. So anyways, that's what we're trying out. The pomade by Benefit Cosmetics, the brow pomade. It's a brow pomade. That was long just to tell you what we're doing, right? So we're gonna do a quick summer makeup that I've been doing lately because I really love this way. It's quick, it's light. I can't hardly even feel that I'm wearing makeup. I don't feel like I have to scrub my face at night. I do have a little bug bite going here, so it's probably not gonna be covered. But anyways, I start out with moisturizer. So that's what we're gonna do. Put on a little moisturizer. And I'm using CeraVe PM. And then we're going to go in with our our bareMinerals BAREPRO 16-hour Skin Perfecting Powder Foundation. We've already tried this before. We're not testing this out. I already know I love it. And my color is light 20 neutral. Light 20 neutral. And I like to put it on with a brush because I want a really light coat. And I do this before my concealer. I actually did it accidentally this way, and I like it. So I just keep doing it that way. So I'm just going to go in with a light coat of this. And then I'm going to go in with some concealer. And then I'm going to go over it with my Bye Bye Pores in my, right through here where my pores are larger and I have more fine lines and wrinkles. And then we're going to go in with my concealer. I've been using my Shape Tape, the creamy one, with this look, just because it's a little bit lighter than, not lighter in color, lighter than heavy, as in heavy light, than the Pat McGrath. I still love my Pat McGrath, and since fall is on its way, I'm sure I will be going back to that real soon. Put a little bit of this on this bite here. And I had a little something growing up here too. So we'll get that going on, and then we're going to blend all that out with our sponge, our dampened sponge. This is just such a quick and easy makeup look. I just really have been enjoying not spending a lot of time on them. So I'll just take my same brush and just kind of go over especially if I had any blemishes I covered. Just like that. And then we're going to go in with our Bye Bye Pores in the T-zone. And this is by IT Cosmetics. And I'm going to do under my eyes. Basically everywhere I did highlight. And definitely my smile lines. And my upper lip. And then a little bit right here. And then I'm just going to take my powder brush and spread that to the rest of my face. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the color Natural. And I'm just going to contour, and I'm going to use it for my eyes too. Get rid of this jowls. Give me some depth in my temples. And to my nose. And pull it straight on across to be my eyeshadow too. That makes for a nice short video, doesn't it? And we still get to test out our new product without being here forever. Put a little under my lip. And we're done with that. And now I'm going to go in with just a little bit of blush. I'm going to use my Dallas from Benefit. And I'm going to go in with my Dandelion from Benefit highlighter. Actually, I'm going to blend this out first. These marks are not from the highlight, they're from my glasses. And now I'm going to go in with the highlight. And I am going to use a brush just because my fingernails are too long and I don't get it where I want it to be. And this is just a Wet n Wild brush. I think these brushes are the bomb, and they're like $1. They're like even cheaper than e.l.f. ones now, because e.l.f. has gotten a lot prouder of their stuff. And I'm going to put this highlight for my shadow also. Call it good. And then take this and just kind of blend it out. And that is done. So now we are ready to, I don't really think we need a liner. What do you guys think? This is going to be a quick one. So we're not going to put on a liner. We're just going straight for the brows. And we're going to use our new pomade. And it has this little, as you can see, I've used it already. Ugh, my nose itches now. I must have got powder in it. It has this little like trough on one side so that you can pull your brush up and kind of smooth off the edge so you don't get a big clump. It's good. And they did that on purpose. They made that just for that. So I'm going to grab some, and this is the number 2. I'm going to wipe it off on this little edge there. And I'm going to put it down, and I'm just going to, I start by drawing the line underneath. And I start usually in the middle because there's so much on it. Even with that little drop, there's still a lot on it. So you want to start and then pull it out to the end. And then draw the top. Basically, you kind of outline where you want them to be. But I don't do the inside until I get a lot of it off. Because, well, you just want that to be lighter. And then once I get quite a bit of it off the brush, I'll go back in and fill that in. And then I blend it out with this, with the spoolie end. I can go back in with, still got some on my brush so I can fix anything I don't like. And then I just kind of brush it a little bit to lighten it up. And then I take this and just make sure it's perfect. See, that was pretty quick for me and brows. You guys know how I complain about my brows because they take forever. So that's it. That's how it looks. All right, I think those are good. So all we have left is lips. It's awesome. I can't believe it. This has gone so quick. Oh, I did want to use some brow gel from Benefit. No, this is not a sponsored video. I just really like a lot of Benefit's products. Especially right now, it seems like more than usual. This is the Benefit Brow Gel, and it's like a paddle with a comb on each side. I love it. So I put it on with the paddle side, and then I comb them up. And it makes them stay. They stay really well. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do our regular lips, which is my Laneige Lip Mask. My favorite thing, because it smells like berries. And shines beautifully. And it's oh so comfy. That's it. That's all I want. Just a little bit of shine. So what do you think, guys? Do you like the new brow thing? I love it. I really do. I really want to try the lighter one though. What do you think? Do you think I need to go lighter? Do you think it'll look okay? Because my brows, the hairs in my brows, the few hairs that I have, are really not light. They're darker than this color already, so maybe I'm good with this one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!